back to my kitchen. Today in this video we are going to make another dish called Dopiaza. Dopiaza means 2 onions. So we're going to cut these in circles and cook them together. Dopiaza is really delicious dish that works equally with lamb and beef. For this recipe I've got 2 onions, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. I'm going to add some salt, 1 tablespoon, some turmeric, pinch of cayenne pepper, and as you can see I have some onions and few cloves of garlic. Now we're going to add 1 liter of water. We are going to boil the meat for 1 hour. For this recipe, I'm going to use desi ghee. Adding the onions. Just remember not to fry it so much. Maybe 2 minutes is more than enough. Garlic. Turmeric. You can add the meat. For the meat, I'm using milkfed veal. And it's really enough for 2 people. I always add the black pepper at the end just because we want a nice color. And we don't want to change it so much, so always at the end is the best. The main spice for this dish is black pepper, so don't be shy to add as much as you want. I love the smell. It looks amazing. It's almost ready. We're just going to add a little water from the meat sauce that we have, not too much. Smells really good, really good. And this is a side dish, so you can serve it with rice or any kind of bread that you have at home. It's good. So we will cover it for at least 10 minutes and we're ready to eat after. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this super simple recipe. Super delicious. The meat is super tender, and I love the taste of black pepper. It is so good, you guys. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to share with all your friends. This is one of the easiest dish I ever made. It does not take time, guys. So if you try this, please do tag me on my Instagram at Sahar's Life. And yeah, until next time, Khuda Hafiz. Bye.